We filmed a simulated call at an actual ambulance control centre to show you what's said and how they handle the call. We cannot show you the screen for confidentiality reasons, but you will see how the operator asks questions to determine the priority and the location of the incident. This call concerns someone in cardiac arrest. You will see how they prioritise the call, give advice on how to deliver CPR right up till the ambulance arrives. The advice given supports what we learn on first aid courses, and they are there to help you where needed and reassure you that help is on its way.
Ambulance emergency, is the patient breathing? Okay, tell me exactly what's happened. Okay, what is the address of the emergency? Yeah, and what town is that in? Okay, and do you have the postcode? Okay, and just repeat the full address for me to make sure I've got that correct. I'm organising the help for you. Okay, just stay on the line for me. So if there is a defibrillator available, I want you to send someone to get it now and tell me when you have it. Okay, that's not a problem. So I'm organising the help for you now. Stay on the line and I'll tell you exactly what to do next. So I need to know, how old are they? Okay, are you right by him now? Okay, so please put your phone on speaker so your hands are free to help them. Okay, listen carefully, lay them flat on their back on the floor and remove anything under their head. Okay, so listen carefully and I'll tell you how to do chest compressions. Place the heel of your hand on the breastbone, right between the nipples, and put your other hand on top of that hand. And pump the chest hard and fast at least twice per second and 2 inches deep. Okay, so I want you to count at the same rate as me as we're doing the chest compressions, and I want you to go at a rate of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, that's it, follow my count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep on. That's it, you're doing really well. Just keep on doing the chest compressions over and over and don't give up. This will help keep them going until the ambulance crew arrives. Tell me when they're right with them or if anything changes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, so do not leave him alone until the crew is right there, and don't stop what you are doing until the crew takes over from you. Is the door unlocked? Okay, just let me know when they're right with him, okay? Just keep on doing the chest compressions. All right, I'll leave you with the crew. Take care, you've done really well. Bye-bye.